In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover CaixaBankNow account password. So first of all, launch open CaixaBankNow application. You can see over here CaixaBankNow application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to recover the password, it is actually very simple. Tap on this option, recover password, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be redirected to the browser. From the browser, you'll be able to recover the CaixaBankNow password for yourself. You can see over here, first of all, you have to provide some data. What you have to do is simply select your identification document. Right now, you can see TIN selected. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see other identification documents over here. Tap on the identification document that you would like to select. Now what you have to do is enter the number of your identification document. Simply tap on this field. Now enter your identification document number over here. Now once you do that, enter the last 6 digits of your credit or debit card. If you do not have a card, tap on this option, don't you have a card, and you'll be able to see what you can do. Now after you do all that, tap on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now if the information that you provided are correct, you'll be led to another interface. You'll have to go through the configuration process. Simply follow through the prompts and SMS verification text will be sent to your phone number too. So make sure you verify it and configure it. After you do that, you'll be able to recover the access. Also, you'll be able to create the new password for yourself. Simply create the new password and confirm the password. Now next time you should be able to log into your account with new password. So that is how you recover CaixaBankNow password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.